If you have a birthday this week, don't spend money on decorations until you see this.
Let's start with the base. Place a tall glass in a cupcake liner on a board. Now for the star touch, the umbrella. Use a floral cupcake liner, fold it, trim the tip and edges to create a wavy shape, and glue it to a striped straw with hot glue. Add a small pom-pom to the end. Fill the glass with your favorite beverage. Here, a blue soda. For the base, fill the cupcake liner with colorful, chewy candies. As a garnish, place a gummy candy on the rim. That's it. Drinks that refresh, decorate, and surprise. With these steps, you'll create a festive and cheerful atmosphere at any celebration. Looking for an original and adorable idea for your parties or special touch? We'll show you how to create surprise cups with candy and balloons. Take an inflated balloon in your favorite color and thread the knot through the hole. That's the top part. Then, fill the lid with your favorite gummy candies. It's even better if you mix colors. Finally, fit the lid onto the cup and make sure it's tightly sealed. That's it. A quick, eye-catching, and perfect treat for birthdays, baby showers, or any celebration. We'll start by creating the base. Use a roll of tape as a guide to draw a circle on orange cardstock and cut it out. This will be the stand. Next, fill a clear lid with colorful rubber bands. Apply glue to the edge and attach the cardstock circle to seal them. Turn the dome over and make a small hole at the top. Inflate a balloon, tie a knot, and place a straw through it. Insert the other end into the hole to simulate the balloon floating. To finish, add a ribbon to the straw. That's it. A sweet, original decoration. Perfect for any party. Now this time, we'll start with a clear plastic container. We'll attach the base of a balloon holder to the center with a dab of hot glue. This will be the structure. Now let's fill it. First, a layer of rocklets, chocolate-covered candies, then marshmallows swirled around the edge, and finally, colorful gummy candies. Pure color and flavor. We'll close the container and make a small hole in the lid. We'll thread a paper straw through it and fit it into the base. We'll decorate the straw with a light green ribbon and place a blue balloon on top. We'll add a flower sticker and a pink tulle bow. It looks beautiful. That's it. An easy and eye-catching vertical candy holder. Perfect for any celebration.